Swamiji, awaken my peak possibility to recreate my son's life and bring him to you in Nityanandoham. We want, all the three of us want to be there.
Tathast.
Thank you, Swamiji. And next question is,
But
not
don't
only
force your husband immediately to bring him to Nityanandoham.
Sure.
At least bring him to ashram. I'll help on him. And I'll see to it he is healed. Then put pressure on your husband. Don't jump on him.
Okay, Swamiji.
Next.
Sure. Not only my son's life, Swamiji, there is a large community I see as special children. I really want to do something for them. I want to be in the state of complete completion, so I help them to come out of their every child.
Actually, you
agony.
can become a Vidyalaya teacher.
Sure.
And start teaching or initiating these kids.
By your blessings, I will do that, Swamiji.
And so many artistic children are getting healed just by third eye initiation.
I know. And third, Swamiji, during my root pattern process, I found out my root pattern and did everything. But now today morning, I became unsure whether that was my root pattern.
That is enough. That
Thank
is
you,
your root
Swamiji.
pattern. Relax.
Thank you, Swamiji.
The earliest pattern you discover from, you see, for example, if you discover something at the age of 6 or 7 or 5, everything else after that will collapse. That itself is enough. What is below, even if there is 2 years left behind, that will also collapse.
Thank you, Swamiji. And as you said, you already created the space for our third eye awakening. Make sure I read it, Swamiji. By the time I go home, I should be beautifully able to read. Thank you
Actually,
for everything.
you guys are really progressing so well. It's only 1 week over, and so many of you are reading.
Thank you, Swamiji. Yes.
I'm getting the report.
No.
Swamiji, say it.
Can we give Haritaki for kids? Because she was...
Very little. It should be like a 1 pinch.
Because she was also with us.
Don't give high dosage.
Swamiji, Mahadeva's kitchen. When July 14 IA last year, Hardwar, I got root pattern from in utero, but then I still had big patterns develop after. Does that mean I didn't really get it?
No, you didn't complete it.
Didn't complete it? So could you
Now I'll pull it out.
Swamiji sits side. Swamiji, I came to know about Swamiji in August 2015, that is during the NKY program. Since then until today, I am vegetarian, and I've carried a vow that I'll be vegetarian till out the end of my life.
Blessings.
And I would like to have your blessing, Swamiji.
Tathast.
Please bless me.
Tathast. Basically, the Guru Granth Sahib instructs vegetarian food. It is later some few sects, Deras, mixed with other communities and made themselves non-veg.
In my family, I'm the only one vegetarian.
That's
my
the
parents,
problem, actually.
My parents
Otherwise, originally the Guru Granth Sahib instructs vegetarianism as a lifestyle. The whole Guru Ka Langar you see,
Yes, Guru
it
Ka
will
Langar.
all be so clearly vegetarian. Not just Guru Ka Langar. As a lifestyle, Sikhs have been prescribed only vegetarian food. It's unfortunately very much later they mixed with other communities and picked up.
Swamiji, after the Kalaveda Homa was very, very strong on my system, and my nervous system got very disordered.
Don't worry, I'll heal it. It's not disordered. He must have cleansed it.
Oh, that
It
was
can never bring anything bad.
But the later effect was I had a hard time. I felt overstimulated by the environment. Is that a...
Don't worry.
Okay, and the second question is, how do I know to continue with the samyama? I mean, is it all right if I continue with it? That's my question.
You are doing the samyama now?
Yes, yes.
You are not able to handle it?
No, I can handle it.
Then continue. What is the problem?
I just, this morning, my gums were bleeding, that's all.
Oh, then don't continue.
I'm sorry?
Don't continue. Drop it. Disconnect it.
Can I ask why that would be?
Because you are saying you have a bleeding in the gums.
Yes.
It means your body is not now comfortable with the samyama. Drop it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Nityananda Swamiji, I had asked a question earlier also. I need your blessings and help to finish with my root pattern.
I'll do it. I'll really
all
do
other
it.
incompletions.
I'll do it.
And second question, Swamiji, I have been having a lot of grief about my deceased parents in my heart for a long time. Please help me.
I'll release that also. Now, in this process, I'll release. We are going to work on the heart center. I'll release it.
Nityananda Swami.
Inside, Swamiji. This question is about my daughter. She's also. This question is about my daughter. She's also here, so I have written the question.
I'll taper it down and stop it. It's Arna.
Yes.
I'll take it.
So, can we stop it tomorrow?
No, I'll taper it down. Ask me in the energy session. I'll tell you.
Swamiji,
Thank you so much.
Swamiji,
And you have to show me the medication you are taking. Which side?
Bida side Swamiji, ஒரு miracle. நான் இந்த எண்ணெய் வைக்கணும் வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் முன்னாடிலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆஃபீஸில் இருக்கும்போது அந்த ப்ரெஷர்லாம் எங்கள் வீட்டம்மா கிட்ட பயங்கரமாக சத்தம் போட்டு பிரச்சனை பண்ணிட்டேன். அப்போ இருக்கும்போது என்ன நீங்கள் ஆஃபீஸ் பார்த்துறேன், நீங்கள் எண்ணெய் வைக்கணும் போங்க, நான் ஆஃபீஸ் பார்த்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. நான் வந்துட்டு இங்கே கம்ப்ளீஷன் பண்ணிட்ட பிறகு அவங்களுக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ணி சாரி கேட்கலான்னு நினச்சிருந்தேன். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவங்க ஃபோன் பண்ணி இந்த ஆஃபீஸை எப்படி தான் பார்த்துருந்தீங்க, இது இவ்வளோ பிரச்சனை இருக்குது, அதனால தான் நீங்கள் வந்து அவ்வளோ ப்ரெஷர் கொடுத்துருக்கும் போது எனக்கு தெரியாமல் போயிடுது சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க ஃபோன் பண்ணி சொல்கிறாங்க. இப்போ வந்து
ஆனால் ஒன்று தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, உங்களை கிளைண்ட்ஸ் கத்தினா நீங்கள் போய் ஒய்ஃபை கத்தி, ஒய்ஃப் போய் குழந்தைய கத்தி, குழந்தை போய் நாய் அடிக்கும், நாய் வந்து உங்களை கடிக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி தான் சைக்கிள் நடக்கும். புரியுதுங்களா?
சரி.
அதனால் உங்களுக்கு மேலே இருக்கிற ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸை அப்படியே எப்படி வாந்தி எடுக்கிறீங்களோ இல்லை உடம்பை க்ளீன் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அந்த மாதிரி மனசையும் தூக்கி போடுறது கற்றுக்கிடுங்க. அப்போ மட்டும்தான் மற்றவங்க மேலே போட மாட்டீங்க. மற்றவங்க மேலே வாந்தி எடுத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த கர்ம சக்கரம் தானே ஆரம்பிக்கும். நீங்கள் ஒய்ஃப் மேலே கொட்டுவீங்க, ஒய்ஃப் மேலே குழந்தைங்க மேலே அடிப்பாங்க, குழந்தைங்க போய் நாயை திட்டுவாங்க, வீட்டில் இருக்கிற அவங்களுடைய அவங்களுக்கு கீழே இருக்கிற ஒரே ஜீவன் அதுதான், பெட்டு அடிப்பாங்க, பெட்டு வந்து உங்களை கடிச்சு வச்சிடும். அவ்வளோதான். அதான் சைக்கிள் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகிறது.
நன்றி நன்றி சார்.
No, I am telling him, your boss shouts at you, you go and shout at your wife shouts at the kids will shout the pet will come and bite you. This is circle. Karma chakra gets completed. No, that is the way the karma chakra is going on. I think you should learn how to cleanse it without making the karmic cycle continue. You should know how to cleanse it without continuing the karmic cycle.
Swamiji?
Which side?
Deity side. No, back. Side. So since 2 years, I've been trying to have my vegetarian diet, but it's not very well balanced. My weight has been like on and off, and I like to do a lot of exercise.
I think you should do exercise and vegan diet. There are so many vegan bodybuilders. See in the internet, tons and tons of vegan bodybuilding techniques. Use that.
So no vegetarian, vegan? No, not vegetarian. It should be vegan?
No non-vegetarian.
Okay, but...
You can build your body just with vegetarian and vegan food. There are so many boxers, the bodybuilders, vegan, vegetarian.
Without any supplements.
And everyone thinks they will become like ox and eat the ox, and without understanding, ox eats vegetarian food. Come on.
Without any supplements, yes?
No non-veg supplements is required.
Swamiji, stage side. Today only I was able to open up and start talking reasonably. So things are, little by little, it's coming out. And I need to get out all of them gradually.
I'll do it.
Swamiji, a point of clarification. Since I was doing these samyama, can I switch to the nirahara after I eat?
I think, why do you even want to struggle? You don't need to make your body struggle. Just go for eating regularly. I'll do the job.
Okay, thank you.
Swamiji, Mahadeva's kitchen, sir. I had done my first IA in 2012 July. And that time I remember doing completion with others. That time I had a lot of incompletions with my dad because I had been brought up by my mom. And it took me a long time, almost the entire day to complete with all that. And yesterday when we were doing this, I sat for almost 10-15 minutes with a blank page. I didn't have anything to write on incompletion with dad. I just digged and digged, but there was nothing.
Because in the past you finished it?
Not only I finished it, even in these 3 years I haven't accumulated anything. It's been so beautiful, Swamiji, the relationship. So I just wanted to thank Swamiji.
For a girl, daughter is, see, for a daughter, the father relationship is too important, ma. Too precious, you understand? For a boy, mother relationship is too important. Because the first man you face in your life is your father. And the way you relate with him is going to be the mold with which you will relate with all men in your life. Whether brother or the boyfriend or husband or whoever. This is the mold. Same way for a boy, mother is the mold. That's too important. Understand? So that, because that's the same way he is going to relate to his sister or girlfriend or wife or every woman he is going to meet in his life. It's too precious.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Swamiji, when you're doing all this process, Shivoham and all this process, I am only seeing some light. Like I see.
You don't even need to see that. You relax.
Light.
You don't need to see even that.
No, I try to see like Shiva.
No, you don't try anything. You just keep quiet. That is why I am saying, you just keep quiet, I'll do the job.
So
if you try something, you are interfering with what I am doing.
So it's okay to just see light.
Have you ever experienced you organize everything and your daughter comes and throws everything into a mess? That's what you are doing with me now. Understand? I am just organizing, and you try to do something and the whole thing is, you just relax.
Because yesterday you did the Kalabhairav. I heard a lot of people were scared and all that, but I was only seeing light. So
that is what. You just don't try anything. You relax. You got the prime seat. And sit back and enjoy. That's all.
I already feel enlightened sitting here.
That's all. That's it. Enjoy. Over.
Swamiji, stage. Swamiji, I remember, you was talking to that young lady over there regarding father is the first love for the daughter. I lost my mom, not literally lost. She left me when I was 7 years old. But at that age, at that time, I don't remember anything because she have given me 1 ringgit in my hand, replacement of her love. I only know that and I was happy with it. I don't remember what I should complain.
Now what I am saying, if you have any complaint, complete with it. If you don't have, don't worry, forget about it.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Swamiji, Mahadeva's kitchen side. I am also newly inducted vegetarian after Kumbh. I just wanted to clarify one thing, that is there an issue having tomato and mushrooms?
No problem. Enjoy.
Okay. Thank you.
Swamiji.
Mushrooms, I think, they develop a biomemory of animal. Avoid mushrooms. Tomato is okay. Actually, mushrooms also, if you want to become a healer only, you need to avoid. If you are not going to be a healer, mushroom is okay.
Swamiji, here, state side. So, for me, my experience to completion, I done 2013, and with my ex-husband, it was complete now. I feel it is so powerful, and I have a good relationship with him now. But
that's wonderful.
Yes, we are divorced. So we're in the marriage. During the marriage, it is so difficult, and I cannot talk to him. And now it's so good.
Good. Actually, if you have brought this completion at that time in your marriage, even marriage would have been a successful marriage. It's okay what to do. That's the way life is. Which side?
This side.
Sarvanyapita.
Sir, Swami, actually, first word I get is Dakshineshwar. So Sarvangapitam, I always forget. That's my problem. Swami, till today I'm really enjoying IA, and I'm really, it's inspiring to bring so many people as much as I can to send them to the IA, because I want let them see suffering. I really want them celebrating their life that it should be, and I really want your blessings so that I can really help them to understand IA and be there.
I'm Swamiji. So I want to share a miracle with IA intention from Swamiji. I was thinking to come to December IA directly, but after Karma webinar, I was completely in connection space with you, Swamiji. I felt, in what else I need.
How many of you guys saw the Karma webinar? I think you guys should see. How many of you have not seen? Raise your hand. You guys should see once at least. Yes.
So after seeing Karma webinar, Swamiji, I felt, why I'm separating from Swamiji and what else is can separate. But I was in the one of the important projects, Swamiji. I felt even this cannot stop me from going to Swamiji. So immediately, without thinking anything, I filled my intention form just to think of my Atmalinga, and that's it, Swamiji. After 4 days, I was in a big meeting with almost 30-40 people, Swamiji. There again, I have a doubt that if I go in October is our production date, Swamiji. If I go now, being one of the lead, I might be putting all people down. So again, I decided not to go here and go to Nityanandoham, Swamiji. But truly, I want to come, but situation is not letting me do that.
But you had a breakthrough.
Yes, Swamiji. Now, what happened is, I asked you, Swamiji. I prayed to you, Swamiji, I filled IA intention form. I really want to come, but this is my situation. And that is one of the most important Swamiji project. Within 4 days, we get a mail saying that project has been cancelled. It will move to next December, next February, Swamiji. So I had almost 4 months time.
That's it. Your intention manifests.